to create a furniture and furnishings e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just go with login and you type in your email or your username. Then you click on next to proceed to type in your password. So it's loading, give it a few seconds, and then you will be able to type in your password. Then click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. Then you click on continue. After that, you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you most. Then you do the same with this other question. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So mine is about furniture. So let's see here, we have home and living, which is related to that niche. And we have tools and parts. So let's choose home and living, and let's choose tools and parts. And if you can't find your category in here, you just click on other, then you click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, you just skip this step and you give them a few seconds to build up your store, and you will proceed to your dashboard, as you can see. And here in your right, you have the edit site button, and also you have the design now button, and the two of them takes us to the editing phase. And here in your left, you have 9 sections, and I'm going to explain each section for you. Then I'm going to proceed to the editing phase. So let's start with website, and it's where you can also proceed to the editing phase, or you can set up your domains, your domain name, or change the one that you already have. Then you have the items, where you can set or create new items for your site, or new products, the way you want to call it. And if you want to categorize these products, you can do that in the site's categories. And then you have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. Then you have the orders section, where you can check your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and so on. Then you have the fulfillment section, where you have the pickup, when you can set your pickup settings or set your shipping settings. Then you have the reports, where you can see the reports of the site's traffic, site's activity, sources, online sales, and so on. And if you want the summary of all these reports, you can just click on summary. Then we have the marketing, and it's basically where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, from the email to the automated ads, mailing lists, segments, to the setup. And if you want again the summary of all these tools, you can just click on summary. Then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. Then we have the settings, where you can check the general settings of the store. If you want to set up your company name, your email, your address, and your phone number. So just wait for it to load. And this is it. If you want to change your company name, your address, your email, and your phone number. Then we have the checkout. If you want to set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account, or connecting your PayPal account, or changing the country and the currency of the store. Then we have the sales taxes and the units, where you can change the site's language or edit the units that you already have. So that's it for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. and you just need to be patient and give it a few seconds to load. So guys, this platform requires you to be patient with it. Sometimes it takes 1 minute to 2 to load. It depends on the server. And here we have the setup guide, just ignore it. And as you can see, we have the styles, which is the first step of setting our store, choosing the styles or the style that fits you. So just wait for the store to load, and then we will choose a style and see if it fits our requirements. So here it is, the store loaded. I think I'm going to choose this as my style, and I'm going to click on hide styles and check if this one fits me. I'm going to click on apply site styles. It's good for me. Then here you proceed to the site's design, where you can again change the style that you choose, and also you can add an image to be your logo, change the colors, and also change the fonts. And I'm going to change the fonts from Ricolita to Comforta. This is it, Comforta. And if you want to play with these adjustments, scales or sizes and so on, you can do that. Titles, paragraphs and labels. And when you're done, you click on done. Then you proceed to changing the shape of the buttons and fields from sharp to rounded. And let's change the shape of images also, but no, it's in rounded, so let's keep it rounded. We don't want it to be sharp. Then let's click on done, and by scrolling down you can see these elements. If you want to change them, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free version to the paid one. And when you're done, you click on done. Then you close this one and dismiss again. And here, if you want to change the sections that you have from the header, main banner, featured items and so on, if you want to create new ones, you click on the plus button here. And if you want to hide one of them, you just click on this one. And if you want to delete, you have the delete button. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.